Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. Good evening. Today, we are making some cookies. We got some good old Toll House cookies over here. Bang. Boom. We're gonna be baking these, but the catch is, it's not going in the oven. No, we got something better. We are baking cookies in my car. So yeah. Yeah! I lay the cookies out here on this lovely cookie sheet. Boom. Usa pan. Alright. Then we got some lovely tinfoil because apparently it's supposed to help it. So yeah, I got this idea off Twitter and I saw it one day on a picture and I was like, wow, that looks cool. I want to be like them. Wow. So yeah, making some cookies in my car. Normally these are supposed to get baked at like 350. So yeah, it's only gonna be probably like 100 degrees or something like that in my car. I don't know. Just gotta get this lovely tinfoil out here. Place her right down on the sheet, right, like so. So yeah. Yeah! Someone said very nice. 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 Alright, got that right like so. It's time to butter her up. I need butter. We need butter. Butter. Wait, should I butter it? Boom, boom, boom.
Boom, 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 then everybody say, way-ho!
Get that flavor flav. It's a little cringe. How much butter should I do? Go on this much. Cut it right there. Taking it right off. Alright, never mind. I'm just gonna...
Yikes.
I should have warmed it up, but you know...
Yikes.
It's gonna get hot anyway, so...
Yikes. Oh, I'm not eating these cookies.
You are eating these cookies. This is Nazi Germany. You had no choice. Yeah, you just spread it around with your fingers.
Cut that out.
Many of you might be wondering, did I ever take a cooking class in high school? The answer is yes. Did I ever do it like this? No. But this is the supreme way to do it. This is the A1 way. Alright. So yeah, I just buttered my cookie sheet. Nice. Tastes wonderful. Very nice. Ooh, that kind of felt. Just throw that there. The remaining butter. Give it to my dog maybe. Well, it's time to put the cookies on the sheet. It's time to lay them out. Bust her open like so. Oh. Smells good. Real good. Slide her out. Oh. Alright, so yeah, we're just gonna kind of throw her out there.
Like the
You're a dirty whore. So far, these cookies get a rating of very nice. Nice. We'll see how very nice they are after they're done being baked. Alright, yeah. Alright, so we got our cookies. I'm the next Asian Betty Crocker. Outside we go. Follow me. Right there, that's where my dog peed. Alex scared the living piss out of my dog, literally. How do you feel that my dog hates you? You made her, okay, Lexi, I wouldn't like him either. Oh, it's right by my Vans too. Interesting. Good thing she didn't pee on these. I'm gonna set that there. Right, oh, and warm. Ew. Oh yes, it's yellow. What are the odds you go touch Alec with this, Lexi? 1 in 10. Right now. 3, 2, 1, 1. No. Okay. Hey Alec.
What's up?
No.
No. Don't do that. No, get that away from me. No, get that away from me.
Let's go. We are going to take these cookies and put them in my car, and hopefully they're gonna get baked. Baked. Okay, not funny. Put this right in there.
Nick, just like friendly.
Shut up, you're a whore. You're just not racist on here. That's we accept all. Okay, wow, let's get nice and warm in there. Alright, so yeah, these cookies are gonna get baked, and yeah, so I'm gonna set up a time lapse maybe, and you can watch it if you like.
Three hours later.
Alright. It's cookie time. Oh my god. These cookies aren't A1, then I've wasted like 3 hours on it. Making them, it's being great. Here we go. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Wow, it is hot. It smells honestly like cookie dough. Good. Look at these.
Oh, look at that.
That one looks the best out of all next to that one. Maybe we should go taste tester. We're doing it.
That's what she said.
We're going in.
That's what she said.
We'll test these bad boys out. Here we have it. We got our cookies. Just full of deliciousness and 100% baked. I tell you what, look at these things. Look delicious. Now, it is time. The time has come for the taste test. Oh god, these don't even look that good. Oh god. Oh, whoa, actually they were getting cooked. Oh, whoa, that is actually a surprise. They were actually getting cooked. Wow.
Wow.
Oh, they're a little like, what the heck? Wow, actually, wow.
Wow.
I am actually surprised, but oh, they actually were kind of getting cooked. Like, look at that.
Oh, look at that.
Dude, they were getting cooked. Actually, like this smells like actually hot chocolate. A hot cookie. Oh my god. Should I eat it? Alright. Here's my cookie. I'm going to eat this. No, I'm not bad actually. Wow. Huh? On a scale of 1 to very nice is very nice. Yeah, so that'll do it for this video. Yeah, cooking cookies in your car. Didn't go out quite as planned like they described on Twitter. Guess that's why you shouldn't always believe everything you see on social media. Yeah. A little upset actually, because I could have made these into some real cookies, but they were getting cooked a little bit, but anything. Ooh. Wow, this is disgusting. But thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell for the post notifications. I hope you enjoyed this kind of video. So it looks like I'm probably gonna get the later. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.